This video I show you how to fix Google Pay or Gpay is not responding. Gpay is not opening problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Gpay. Click on Gpay or Google Pay. Click on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now tap on permission. Allow all permission one by one. After allowing on permission, now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google Pay or Gpay app. Now I hope that this method fix Gpay is not responding or Gpay not opening problem. Now enter phone number, then click on continue. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.